In the 16th Battle of the Race Circuits, we have a battle between two abandoned test tracks. The Opel Rennbahn won the last round, so it's back for more, and here's a new contender that you voted for, the Pirelli test track at Monza. For those of you who are not familiar with the Battle of the Race Circuits format, the formula is very simple. Every month we show you two epic race circuits which have something in common. You decide which one's best. The winner goes on to the next round for a battle against another iconic racetrack, but each circuit can only battle on for 3 rounds maximum. The old Opel Rennbahn opened in 1920 as a test facility for the Opel Factory in Rüsselsheim, Germany. It was an oval track inspired by the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. The length of the track was 1.5 kilometres or 0.9 miles, with two 32-degree banked corners. Soon they saw the commercial potential of the test track and started to organise races during the weekends. For these occasions they built 5 grandstands around the track, which could accommodate up to 50,000 spectators. But when in 1927 the Nürburgring opened, and then in 1932 along came the Hockenheimring, the Opel Rennbahn found tough competition from the modern tracks. So in the 1930s, less races were organised, and then when World War II broke out in 1939, motor racing stopped there altogether. After the war, the Opel Rennbahn was used by the American Army to test military vehicles, but since 1949 the test track was no longer used and left abandoned and been reclaimed by nature since. In 1987 the abandoned circuit got the status of monument of industry and technology. Today, a part of the overgrown track has been cleared and equipped with an observation platform. Where most abandoned circuits are illegal to visit, just ask Herman, this one can be visited legally. The Pirelli Track is an abandoned part of the famous Monza Formula 1 circuit, home of course of the Italian Grand Prix. It was built during the 1938 reconstruction of the Monza circuit as a test track for the Italian tyre manufacturer Pirelli. The layout made use of part of the Monza road circuit and a new loop on the infield. However, because of the outbreak of World War II, the Pirelli track was never actually used for its original purpose. Today, the infield section is left totally abandoned, but can still be explored by nostalgic fans, just like us. In 2016, the abandoned Pirelli track was back in the spotlight when it came up with an alternative layout for the World Superbike race. The new section would cut off the Curva Grande and make use of part of the old Pirelli track. A new chicane would then bring it back onto the current road circuit. Rumours circulated on the internet that then Formula 1 boss Bernie Ecclestone was also interested in using this layout for Formula 1. Oh yes. That naturally sparked a massive protest under the slogan "Save Curva Grande," but frankly the idea disappeared just as quickly as it came. Bit of a flash in a pan. So, we have 2 abandoned test tracks, both of which can be visited legally and both entwined with World War II to some degree. Will it be the Opel Rennbahn winning again, or will the Pirelli track take its mantle? The choice is yours. It's your turn to speak right now. Let us know down in the comments which one is your favourite and tell us why. Check the social tab on the Circuits of the Past YouTube channel because next week we'll be announcing the winners and letting you vote for a new challenger. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next episode of the Battle of the Race Circuits and from all of our other videos of the iconic racetracks that we visit from the past and occasionally from the present too. Don't forget there's also the website circuitsofthepast.com where you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally too. Oh, it's all very illegal today. Thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.